some construction workers are working on a high building early in the morning. Sadly, Steve slips off a ledge, spirals down to the ground, and dies. Bill says, "Someone needs to tell Steve's wife." Joey says, "I'll do it. I'm very sensitive." Joey goes off, then a few hours later comes back with 2 cases of beer. Bill asks, "Where did you get the beer?" Joey says, "Steve's wife gave it to me." Bill says, "You told her Steve was dead and she gave you beer?" "Not exactly. When she answered the door, I said, 'You must be Steve's widow.' And she said, 'I'm not a widow.' And I said, 'I bet you 2 cases of beer that you are.'"
When you want to hear more of the best jokes ever, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you know when the next video is coming. And if this video brightened up your day and made you laugh, go ahead and give it a like.